1. Go to metamask.io. 2. Click on Download for Chrome. 3. Click on Add to Chrome. 4. Choose Add Extension. 5. Click on Get Started. 6. Choose I agree. 7. If you already have a wallet, you can choose Import Wallet. For this video, we will create a new wallet. 8. Create your password, then agree to the terms of use. 9. Click on Next. 10. Reveal your secret recovery phrase. Make sure to keep in a safe place and never show it to anyone. 11. Confirm your secret recovery phrase by select each phrase in order. 12. Click on All Done. 13. Successfully created your Metamask wallet. What tutorial should we do next? Let us know in the comment section.